In this video, how to download ClickUp desktop app. I will show you step by step how to download the ClickUp desktop app. First, open a web browser on your computer. Then go to the official ClickUp website. On the ClickUp homepage, look for the download option. Click the desktop app download option. Now choose the version that matches your operating system. You can choose Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click the download button for your system. The installation file will be downloaded to your computer. After the download finishes, open the downloaded file. Double-click the file to start the installation. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. Click Install to continue. Wait a few moments while the app installs. After installation is complete, open the ClickUp app. Now log in using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, you can start using ClickUp on your computer. The desktop app allows faster access to your projects. You can now manage tasks directly from your PC.